Hey folks, welcome to another HeroPress tip of the week. This week we're going to talk about airplane mode. When you get in an airplane to travel, they often ask you to turn off your electronic devices that are going to make calls out to the internet or something like that. This is very similar. When you load WordPress, it calls out to the internet. It calls for some external JavaScript and CSS files. It makes a hit to Gravatar for your little icons, makes some HTTP requests. It often checks for updates for core, themes, and plugins, and often a variety of other things based on what plugins you have. Airplane mode turns all of that off. You may ask, why would you want to do this? And ironically, one of the reasons is so you can work on an airplane. If you're using a local server like local WP or desktop server, then you can continue to develop when you don't have internet. Whether you're on an airplane or on the road or on vacation someplace where there's no internet, that sort of thing. So if you don't use airplane mode, the plugin, to turn off these external calls, then your local WordPress will often take an extraordinarily long time to load and maybe not even load at all, even though you don't even have internet access. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. Here's my install of WordPress. Add new. I'm going to go to my favorites. And there's airplane mode. Install now. And activate. And now, in the top bar here, you can see there's a little airplane. And if we click it, then we are now in airplane mode, and it blocked 5 things from loading. If we go to the home page, it didn't block anything from loading because my theme doesn't call from the outside. So a lot of what gets called is in the admin area. Let's try it again here. There, it blocked 4 this time. So clicking it turns it on and off. And honestly, the big advantage is so that you can work without internet in a very easy way. This does not require a specific local server. You can use any one you want. It's just a plugin. I will point out that desktop server often comes with the airplane mode plugin. So if you go with desktop server, it's just going to come right along with the package. But next time you're developing someplace with no internet or even just slow internet and you just want to turn off some of these external things from loading, I highly recommend the airplane mode. I hope you find it useful.